What are some of the new features of the latest Playwright release? How do you embrace continuous testing in 2024? And have you seen the demo for Devin, the first AI software engineer? Find out in this episode of the Test Guild News Show for the week of March 17th. So grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea and let's do this. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Test Guild LinkedIn News Show newsletter and never miss another episode by clicking on the link down below. Do you want to learn how top enterprises are preparing themselves to embrace continuous testing in 2024? If so, I have an awesome webinar for you. And for this Test Guild free training, we're partnering with Perfecto and BlazeMeter, and Perfecto has surveyed hundreds of leading digital enterprises across a wide range of industries to answer this question: how are enterprises doing continuous testing? And the results are now in. In this free training, Perfecto experts Mina and John are going to share and take a closer look at what these enterprise testing professionals had to say as part of this survey. They're going to break down the challenges teams are facing, their main focuses, and what enterprises are doing to address their continuous testing concerns in the new year. You want to join us? Register for free to learn the biggest challenges teams are facing in automation, ways to solve them, which tools teams rely on for testing and why, and the emerging trends for testing in 2024 that you need to know. Don't miss out on your chance to find out how to start your 2024 on the right track. Reserve your spot now by registering in the link down below. Hope to see you there. So I'm always on the lookout for updates to frameworks or find out new frameworks. And here's one we covered a while ago, but they made an important announcement. And this is how the Boyka framework marked a milestone by releasing a stable version 1.0, which is now available on Maven Central. And this testing framework was born out of the need to unify tools to handle API, web, mobile, API automation seamlessly. And it's evolved past the initial MVP stage. If you haven't checked it out now, here's your chance to check out how features like zero boilerplate code, multi-platform support, and cloud-based test execution. The framework aims to really simplify and accelerate your automation process for testers. And just wanted to give a shout out for this achievement and how this framework is continually evolving. And if you haven't checked it out, here's your chance with the stable version. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts. You know, time really flies. Way back in December of 2017, I interviewed what was then a company just coming out of stealth mode, Mabel, and I interviewed Don Belcher all about it, and they just celebrated their 7th year of automation. So this article just goes over how Mabel has evolved since it was initially released in 2017, and it focuses on how it learned and leveraged AI and machine learning to really empower software testers, and how it earned the trust for a bunch of different major clients, how it's worked at companies like ADP, JetBlue, and Liberty Mutual. And it also goes over how the company's commitment to augmented human insights with AI and how it's been recognized by companies like Gartner. So as you know, AI has been the past rage, probably the past year and a half, especially since ChatGPT, but tools like Mabel have been around for a long time. They were started with AI-first technology. And so just a big achievement here for being around for 7 years, and a great post to really dive into Mabel's capabilities and also how they've grown and where they see themselves going in the coming years. Have you ever wanted to change the theme of your Cypress test runner? If so, here's a post for you. And this is by David, who introduced a cool new plugin, Cypress Runner Themes, which offers a refreshing makeover to the traditional Cypress test runner you're probably used to, and it's aimed at enhancing the visual appeal of test results by incorporating multiple themes, including dark, light, and colorblind modes. Cypress Runner Themes not only caters to aesthetic preferences, but also supports colorblind users, ensuring accessibility and convenience. And in this post, it goes over how installation is straightforward and requires a simple npm command and minimal configuration adjustments. And this versatility allows for easy theme customizations without affecting the workspace of other team members, promoting both personalization and collaboration. And check it out in the comments down below. And Jason Arbin is back at it with a new feature from Checky AI. And this new feature introduces a fast, innovative solution by generating custom synthetic users tailored to your individual websites. And these artificial users, complete with distinct names, backgrounds, and objectives, scrutinize websites to offer detailed qualitative and quantitative feedback covering aspects like design appeal, usability, and emotional engagement. And Checky API's technology enables a rapid feedback generation in minutes and incorporates an API for pre-release design evaluations, allowing teams to redefine their products more effectively. And this development really promises to enhance software testing and quality by leveraging generative AI and streamlining the feedback process and enabling more focused product improvements. Just some more innovations from Jason from his company Checky AI. If you haven't checked it out yet, here's your chance to do so in the comments down below. If you use Playwright, you want to stick around for this next article. In a recent update, Playwright version 1.42 has been launched. So in this recent update, Playwright version 1.42 has been launched, introducing several key features aimed at enhancing your web testing experience. And it was announced that the update includes new tags and annotation for better test management, improved screenshot styling options, and a novel locator handler for more reliable element selection. And this video emphasizes the avoidance of unreliable web elements, advocating for the use of text-based locators that automatically retry and hopefully reduce test flakiness. And it also highlights some best practices. For example, it recommends annotating tests with issues for easier tracking and history review. And a significant focus of this update is also focused on testing deterministic behavior by disabling extraneous elements like advertisements to really ensure tests really concentrate on essential functionality only. And they also share some strategies for managing online distractions such as cookie banners by automating their closure to maintain test flow. So some awesome new features of Playwright you should check out. Download the latest release and check it out for yourself. So scrolling through my LinkedIn feed, I came across a new tool I never heard of before. And this is Kubeshark, which is a Kubernetes monitoring tool, which now offers a live demo that allows users to explore its comprehensive features without the need for a Kubernetes cluster setup. And this walkthrough aims to showcase Kubernetes functionalities, including secure self-hosting deployment. And the demo highlights Kubernetes' abilities to provide insights into encrypted traffic using eBPF without decryption, and its powerful network error detection and analysis capabilities. Users can also experience an identity-aware service map, inspect performance KPIs, and utilize a rich query language to filter traffic data effectively. Additionally, this demo introduces features like sensitive data redaction and a dashboard mode for optimized viewer experience. So just a new tool I think you should be aware of if you're using Kubernetes. You can check that out in the comments down below. So a lot of times we speak about AI, how it can assist with testing, but how about with development? Well, this next article comes your way via Gumesh, who posted a link to AutoDev, which is a Microsoft AI-driven development framework for developers. And it's a 10-page PDF that goes into detail on AI-driven software development framework that enables autonomous planning and execution of complex software engineering tasks. AutoDev empowers AI agents to perform diverse operations on code bases, including editing files, running tests, and executing Git commands. In an evaluation on code and test generation benchmarks, AutoDev delivered impressive results, achieving over 90% accuracy without any additional training data. And this framework opens up really cool possibilities to streamline software development practices through advanced AI capabilities. All right, I have a feeling this is a lot of smoke and mirrors, but have you seen this? Cognitive Labs introduced Devin, and what they're calling the first AI software engineer. So developed by a team of coding prodigies and backed by Peter Thiel's venture capital, Devin stands out not just for his ability to autonomously train other AI systems, but also for its practical applications, having successfully completed real programming tasks on freelancing platforms like Upwork. This AI is capable of independently developing complete applications, identifying and fixing bugs, a feat demonstrated by its performance in resolving real-world open-source project issues on GitHub. And I'm sure if this is really doing what they say it's doing, this is really going to spark concerns among a lot of software engineers about job security in the face of AI advancements. Devin's introduction into the workforce as a tireless, skilled teammate aims to complement human efforts, allowing engineers to tackle more complex problems, but the potential for AI like Devin to outperform human engineers in efficiency and productivity raises unsettling questions about the future of human roles in software development. All right, for links of everything of value we covered in this news episode, head over to the links in the first comment down below. So that's it for this episode of the Test Skill News Show. I'm Joe. My mission is to help you succeed in creating end-to-end full-stack pipeline automation awesomeness. As always, test everything and keep the good. Cheers.